In this video, we're going to get started by downloading our trading platform. NinjaTrader is what's used in the DowDaddy trading room. Now, keep in mind, there's lots of other platforms out there. If you're already a seasoned trader and you use something else and you trade the Dow or the YM contract, you're free to use whatever you want. But if you're totally new with us, you're going to want to follow the steps in this video. So there should be a link near this video that you can go to download the NinjaTrader platform. And you'll notice that they give a free simulator so that you can try out the methods here without risking any of your own money. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the Get Started right here. You'll go through the sign up process. Once you've logged in with Google or you've given a username, you'll get to a page like this. You'll notice down at the bottom it says not ready for live trading. Now, of course, you're allowed to open, you're free to open a live trading account with them if you want, but for the purposes of learning this method, if you are totally new, we do like for you to get everything set up in Sim and at least trade for a little bit totally on Sim so that you don't risk real money. This stuff is not as easy as some people make it look, and we hate to see you lose money if you don't know what you're doing. So definitely start with the Sim option down here if you're totally green. So I'm going to click that link. I'm going to put some information in the box here. You'll notice that you'll get live market data, 14 days free. We'll also be showing you some other options to trade sort of semi-sim and get funded without opening a totally free account with your own money once those 14 days are up. But for now, just plug your info into the box there. And you'll see that you end up on a page like this where you have the option to download the full platform. You can also do NinjaTrader Web if you want. If you're on a Mac, that's probably the direction you're going to want to go in. But for the purposes of our room here at DowDaddy and for having almost exactly what Coach Alex has on his screen in the room, we're going to want to go ahead and download the desktop platform. Pretty simple and straightforward. You're just going to go click the download link, save it to your computer, and go through the install process. So the MSI file lands on your computer. You click that, kind of opens up this thing. You've installed something on your computer before, right? Similar process. We're going to click install, and it'll go through that process here. Once you've got it downloaded and the install process goes, I'm just going to hit the Windows key here and look for NinjaTrader on my Windows machine. It says NinjaTrader app. I'll click on that right here, and then we're going to sign on in using the same information that we used to create our account with. The platform will ask us again how we want to trade here. Let me get the browser out of the way. This is what you'll probably see. We'll click Launch our simulation account. And then we'll start to see a bunch of stuff pop up here. Now, I will mention that the way Ninja works, before we get to the next video, is that you'll see a bunch of different windows here in Windows, right? So you can move these around, drag and drop them. You'll also notice that the color scheme here is white for now, and we'll probably be moving that over to black so that it looks similar to what Coach Alex has on his screen. But in the next videos, we'll help you set up your view of Ninja so it looks like what Coach Alex has on his screen. If you need any help at all, just email us. dowdaddytrading@gmail.com is a good email to use, or ask us in the room for help. We can always get on a one-on-one with you to make sure that you have the platform installed correctly.